Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how to generate an e-certificate using the Google form. So let me introduce myself. I am Electa Alice Jairani, working for St. Mother Teresa Engineering College in the Department of Electronics and Communication. So before starting it, I want you to remember 2 points. The Google form should be in a quiz format. So make sure the Google form is in a quiz format, and the two column is compulsory. One is email id and the name is compulsory, so that the name will be printed in the certificate, and to the given email id the certificate will be delivered. So let me show you how to do it. For that, you take your Google form. So this is the Google form I have generated already with the informations of email address, full name, and rate the webinar. First, as I told you, it should be in a quiz form. So to make that, go to a settings, and there is one column as quizzes. So make sure that this icon is on, and make your Google form as a quiz one, and you save your one. Then second one I want you to note down is two column is important. One is email address and the another one is full name over here. So now let us see how our Google form looks. So this is our Google form. It will look, and I have made it as a quiz format. So now to add the certificate, you have to add an add-ons. So in order to do the add the add-ons, go over here and press the add-ons. So here it will display you what are the add-ons available in the G Suite. So there are many add-ons available. So in this you have to search for certify them. So search for certify them, you will get like this, certify them. So here if you see, in my one I have already installed, so it is coming as uninstall. Otherwise it will come as install. Press the install and execute it, you will get your certifies on. So in this add-ons already there are many templates available. You can use the inbuilt templates and you can generate your certificates, or you can use your custom certificate and generate the certificates. So let us go back to our Google form, and I'll show you how to add the certificates. So in order to add the certificate, go to the add-ons. You will get your add-ons over here. Press that. Go to this and add on the, you will get the certify M. It will come as source certify M controls. So if you open it, you will get your one mini screen like this, where you have to add your certificates. So here first thing you have to do is turn on the certificate. So turn on. So if you have not kept it in a quiz format, or if you have not kept your email address, here it will show you it cannot be linked. So you have to make sure that it is in a quiz format and these two columns are available. The second one is, as it is in quiz form, here you can select the score. So here we are just giving the certificate for the people who have attended the webinar. But if you are conducting an online test and you want to give the certificate to them if they are past 50%, then you can choose over here the range, which range you want, you can choose, and you can set your certificates. But time being I am setting it as 0%. That means all will get the certificate who is filling this particular form. So in this one, the template, the second one is template. So in the template you have to choose the template. So as I have told you, there are many inbuilt templates available, but today I am going to show you how to use a custom template. So here I have taken a custom template. So in the custom template, if you see, it will come like this, and you select a file. To select a file, it should be in the Google presentation. So if you want to know the Google presentation, you can go to the Google presentation website, and you can add the your new certificates over here. So if you add here new certificate, new presentation will come. In this, you insert the image of your certificate. So go to the insert and go to the image, upload from your computer. So here I have already generated the certificate, so I am going to use that certificate and put it over here. So this is the certificate we have designed. So make sure that it is fully covering the slide. Now to insert the built-in function, you have to use the insert text box. So press this, and where you want the name to be printed, use it over here. So suppose it is over here, you use it, and the built-in function is to flower bracket full name and close it. Make sure that it is correctly fitting it in your certificate like this, and make sure you are saving it and presenting it. So this is how the certificate will look. So that is in our Google presentation. Now go to year 1. So it is already over here. So this is already it is over here. So you select it and do the save changes. So here now that certificate is added over here. So now we have given the Google form in a quiz format with email ID and the full name, and we have added the certify them with our custom made certificate. Now let us review it, how it is coming. So here this is our one. So I am going to use some address, then rate the webinar and submit. So I have done the Google form. It can be an feedback form, or it can be an online test. You just fill it, and in the Google form you can see the responses over here. And if you want, you can download the response. Using here you can download the responses, and it will be in Excel form where you will get all these details, who has attended, what is their email address, etc. will be there. You can use that and get your feedback analysis or online test analysis. Now for the certificate, once you submitted this Google form, the automatically generated certificates will be mailed to your email ID. And so this is our email ID. So here see, the certificate is already, it has generated and it has reached, and the name was typed over here correctly. See, this is the certificate which will be issued to the participants. So like this we can do our n number of certificates. Suppose if many students are attending it, you can uh, ask them to fill the feedback form or ask them to do the online test and feed one custom made certificate, means everyone will get the certificates immediately. Thank you everyone. If you have any doubt, place it in the comment. I'll try to